In order to set a custom username on WhatsApp, what you want to do is you want to go to WhatsApp like I've done here. And then what you want to do is tap the three lines in the upper right hand corner. This works on Android, iOS, and you just need to select settings in the drop down menu. So then just tap onto settings, tap on account. And then once you're here, you see I have two separate tabs, the login and security tab and your account tab. What you want to do now is select username underneath your account tab. Once you do, you'll see the option to create a username. So I can tap onto the green button right there and follow the prompts here to create a new custom username. Once you've done that, as you can see, I can tap on save button here to reserve my username. So go ahead and hit save, and then you have this message saying you reserved your username. So this is just being updated and it will be widely used globally. Just to let you know, this is completely different from displaying your phone number, which protects your personal privacy. If you have any questions, put those in comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.